Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the circle. So, what is a circle? Circle is a path of a moving point. It's a path. It's a way of a moving point. So, the path of a moving point keeping a fixed distance from a fixed point. So, there is a fixed point. We call this one as the center of the circle, and then it keeps a fixed distance always, and then the point start moving. So wherever it will go, that path is the circle. So it will go this way and it will make a round. So it's nothing but a circle. So circle is a path of a moving point which always keeps a fixed distance from a fixed point. That fixed point calls the center of the circle, and that fixed distance is called the radius. And the double of this radius is called the diameter. It is the diameter of the circle, and that path is called the circumference of the circle. This outer portion, this line portion, this curved line is called the circumference of the circle. Circumference. Okay. So now we'd like to know the formula for finding the circumference of the circle. So circumference of a circle equals to 2 pi r. Okay, where pi is the irrational number, which is the value of the pi is 22/7, or it can be written as 3.14. This is the value of pi. Okay, and the definition of pi, I can say the ratio of the circumference and the diameter is called the pi. Okay, the ratio of the circumference and the diameter is called the pi. So circumference of the circle, we will get 2 pi r. That is the circumference. So if we know the radius of a circle, we can find the circumference. And if we know the diameter, so what we will do, this 2 pi r can be written as pi into 2r, and that 2r can be written as diameter of the circle. So we can deduce the formula in that way, that pi into d. That means if we know the diameter of the circle, we can directly multiply the diameter with the pi, with the value of pi, to get the circumference of the circle. So this is called the circumference of the circle. Now we are trying to find the area of this circle. Area means the region enclosed by this circle. So here is a circle, and we know this one is the radius, which is of length r. Okay, so the area means the region enclosed by the circle will be given by, so area of the circle is equals to pi into r square. Okay, pi into r square is the area enclosed by the circle. If I want to write it in terms of diameter, so what can I write? Pi into r is nothing but d by 2, diameter by 2 whole square, which will give us 1/4 pi into d square. So this is also the formula for finding the area of the circle, pi r square or 1/4 of pi d square. So these two formula we will be using. If the diameter is given, we can put the diameter here directly, 1/4 pi d square, or if the radius is given, we can put the value of the radius here, pi r square, to get the area of the circle. So this way we will find the area of the circle. Now suppose we have to find the area between two concentric circle. Now what do you mean by the concentric circle? Two circle whose center is the same, which will having the same center. So this circle, this inner circle, is also having the center, this one. Suppose this one is O, and the outer circle is also having the center O. And suppose the outer circle is having the radius R, capital R, and the inner circle is having the radius small r, and you have to find the area of this ring portion. You have to find this area. So what we will be doing then? We will find the area of this outer circle first. That means the total area enclosed by this outer circle, which will cover all this portion. So the area of the outer circle equals to, we will get pi into capital R square, because capital R is the radius for the outer circle, and then we will be finding the area of this inner circle, which will express the area enclosed by the region enclosed by this inner circle. Okay, so area of the inner circle equals to pi small r square, as small r is the radius for this inner circle. Then the required shaded region, the area of the region enclosed by that two circles equals to pi into small r square, capital R square minus small r square. So this is the area of this shaded region, or that ring portion. So if I want to find the area of this ring, so I have to use this formula, where capital R will denote the radius of the outer circle and the small r will denote the radius of the inner circle. So this way we will be finding the area of the ring. So these are the things we have to use in the circle portion. Next, you solve the next exercise and let me know if there is any problem.